Hey there, let's read On My Way to the Bath. Do you have interesting things happen on your way to the bath? Let's see what happens here. Bath time. Boy, look what all's going on. She's playing with Tinker toys and playing checkers. There's a teddy bear and a ball and all kinds of other things. I do not want to take a bath. Baths are boring. Everything is more fun than baths. Come on, Livy, let's go. On my way to the bath, I slither off the sofa. I am a snake. I slink, I slide. I stick my tongue out of my brother. Now. Oh, she made your brother cry. On my way to the bath, I see my blocks on the TV room floor. I will make a statue. It will be a statue of me holding a cat. Today, Livy. On my way to the bath, I do a cartwheel. I am a professional gymnastics girl. I bend, I balance and stretch. Watch me do a perfect split. I need you in the tub. On my way to the bath, I see my sister in her room. She's listening to music. Hey, I can sing that song just like a rock star. La, 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 la. I will put on a show. The water is getting cold. On my way to the bath, I pass the guinea pigs, Leo and Melly, my loyal minions. It's time to plan our latest caper. They will help me rule the world. Get in the tub now. On my way to the bath, I march. I am in a marching band. I play tuba. As I march down the street, the crowd goes wild for my tuba solo. Mwah! I mean it. Do you hear me? On my way to the bath, I pass through a jungle, a thick, dark jungle. I am looking for sloths. Oh no, quicksand! I swing to safety. I'm counting to 10. On my way to the bath, I hide behind the bathroom door. I am a jungle cat. I see an unsuspecting gopher. 1, 2, 3. I wait. I watch. 4, 5, 6. I sneak. I stalk. 7, 8, 9. I pounce. Roar! Ack! 10. Get in. I get in. I play. I use soap. I use my seahorse washcloth to get very, very clean. Even my toes are clean. Toes are seahorse's specialty. Okay, Livy, time to get out. Livy, I am a shark. That was called On My Way to the Bath. I hope you enjoyed it and that you subscribe and come back often. And we'll see you next time here on Stories with Grandma.